Well, today we did a model of the 5-point pendings of the composite beam. Let me check it here. You can see that here as a cover, we have the normal strength concrete. As a core we have ultra high performance fiber reinforced concrete, and also a steel reinforcement as a longitudinal bar and a strip embedded in the concrete. And now let me check the tension damage in the model. Click on this, and then you will have the bending, the crack growth, the tension crack growth, and then here the crack moves to the other area, and this is the crack growth for the let me replace the cover. Here you can see this is the cover, the compression damage, a stiffness degradation, displacement, and a stress. And now let me replace the ultra high performance fiber reinforced, the tension damage, the compression damage. The strength of this is better than the normal stress concrete, stiffness degradation, and displacement. And now let me remove the cover and ultra high performance and check the steel reinforcement in the concrete. Also you can check it, the stress, the maximum stress also happen for the steel parts, and you can see it here. And again, if I click on animate, you can see the compression damage of this composite beam, normal strength concrete and ultra high performance concrete under the 5 points bending, 5 points, because we have here load, and these three are the boundary zone and they are fixed here. Okay, also we can request story output, the reaction force, save as some, for instance name is RF. So, and this is the reaction force, but this is in a negative way. This is the maximum 1.5 meganewton, and then we have decreasing capacity till here 0 reached. Or we can request a stress or anything for the cover or the core, no problem. And you can see in this view here or the stress and the stiffness degradation for all parts. So in this tutorial we use elastic plastic model for steel reinforcement, also concrete damage plastic for both from the reference paper for both normal strength concrete and ultra high performance concrete. Also you can use the another material method, but the concrete damage plastic is good for the bending test both in static or dynamic model. So if you need this tutorial and you need to model normal strength concrete, ultra high performance, or anything else, you can come to our website www.abaqusfm.com, find the English tutorial here, click on title or blue sign, then you will have this title, the part and geometry and assembly. Here you can see that, then the definition of the material, step interaction, load, and then the result as figures here, and this is the force displacement diagram. So the file contains CAIMP English video file step by step and reference paper, and the cost is 26 euros. You can use a PayPal account, Visa or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, send me an email to this address. So this is just one single tutorial, but if you need the full lecture about the Abaqus, you need to provide a full package. Full package contains 430 tutorials, around 430 tutorials about all things in modeling and simulation Abaqus for students, engineering, or teachers here. These are the titles. You can read them about the package and we have many tutorials in this package about everything. So if you want to buy this package, contact me on this email to tell you about the price and the payment process. That is so affordable for all people, this package. Thank you for your attention.